Choosing a form of exercise or physical activity that you really enjoy doing. If you love doing something or you really enjoy doing something, that's going to increase the chances of you doing that activity. I love jumping rope, so I don't need motivation to go outside really and jump rope because it's something I really enjoy doing. Ice hockey or rollerblading, those are other things I really enjoy doing. So no one has to ask me to go out and do those forms of activity. Other forms of sport, maybe I don't necessarily like as much, and it's going to be a lot more difficult for me to find the willpower or motivation to continue doing those exercise activities. So for example, if you say to yourself, you want to run on a treadmill every day for 1 month for say 20 minutes at a time, but you don't really like running for one thing, or you don't like being on a treadmill, then that's going to be very difficult to stick to that goal. So really important, choose forms of physical activity that you enjoy. Not what your friends might enjoy or maybe what a family member enjoys, but what you really enjoy. If you love punching a heavy bag, great, maybe buy a heavy bag or join a boxing club. If you love yoga, fantastic, join a yoga club. Do something you enjoy. If you love doing something, you're going to find it a lot easier to continue doing that.